I'm back for the first time for like, I would say nearly 2 months I haven't ride, because on the January of this year, I went to Belize and I come back with the Ronas, so I couldn't ride. So this is the first day I'm going to try to ride now. So let's get started, people. Folks, that guy behind me is our friend. We meet him all the time on the trail, but he's everybody's friend.
Venus and Sarina.
Yeah, he's friends with.
No, he said he trained them.
No, he said he trained Venus and Sarina when they were a kid. Playing.
We're gonna ask him when we stop again.
Yeah, I want to stop again, and he stopped yakking in the back there. So I'm back. I'm back again. I'm back again on my ride.
Did that sprocket stop that small like that?
So get out these people away so I don't hit these folks. See how far it's. I'm doing about. Today is about 7 miles. I do like 3.5 this way, 3.5 back. I'm taking it easy. I just want to rush it.
Ice Cube and Eazy-E.
Okay.
That's the original DJ with Dr. Dre. That's DJ Yella. That he was doing his book signing.
Okay.
Here they are. This is something you might never seen. This is the original cover of Venus and Sarina cover record that they gave me. That's the original racket, Western profile. If you look at it, this is a picture of Monica Seles, Venus and Sarina, and I want to have that picture right there. Here's the one, Venus, what you look for in black and white. That's her first signature. This is a guy I played against. He beat me out of college.
Cool.
Yeah, so those are the original pictures, Venus and Sarina and the rackets. And then this another picture of up here at the front is Warren G. That's Warren G. The son of the Sun Regulator, Dr. Dre's half brother.
Okay.
Yep. So that's a little bit about me.
Yeah.
I'm Andre Barbee.
So when I tell people that Andre trained Venus and Sarina,
Trained with
them and stuff, they don't believe me.
Richard Williams was my coach, and I used to live in their house in 1117 East Stockton Street, Compton. When they moved out of Compton and went to Florida, I stayed in their house for 2 years.
Okay,
continued to train. I played with Fred Haynes, the Haynes family. You can look them up. Fred Haynes and Angela Haynes. Angela Haynes is a professional tennis player now. I played against her son. And he was number 2 in the world in junior league. I beat him in a triple tiebreaker, but he passed away on riding motorcycles on the 78 freeway with his tennis friends doing tricks on the freeway. And lost his life. But hey, to Fred, also to Richard Williams, to all of them, let's go, love y'all.
Okay. Well, check out Andre, folks.
Met this beautiful man, beautiful woman right here, and wife. Good people.
This is my friend, folks.
So hey, check me out. If I ever get the weight down, I'll be going back into tennis. I have to have a thing. If I get under 200, I go on my first professional tennis match.
Okay.
So if I can stop eating sweets.
Folks, I don't know what they have in here at the Steel Auditorium. I see a lot of folks over there, so I don't know what they have in there. But we'll take a little walk and see what they got. There's something happening there. So we don't know. Let's see. It's, Hey, man. What they having over there today?
They're having a swearing in for one of the members of Assembly. Is
Oh, okay.
that a GoPro?
Huh?
Is that a GoPro?
Yeah.
You just walk around and
I just walk around. I do a YouTube show and stuff like that.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I walk around and put content in YouTube. And,
Nice.
yeah. Since I retire, I ain't got nothing to do. Somebody want to do something.
And where do you edit on? How do you edit?
My wife edited on her computer.
Premiere? You know the
No,
program?
much. I don't know the program. She's I don't know the program she used, but she do all it. And she edited good. I don't know how she do it, but she do it.
All right. Well, again,
She did it on a mock.
She does all the heavy work. You do all
Yeah,
the fun stuff.
I just do the fun stuff. She do all the heavy work.
Yeah, editing is not easy.
It's not easy. I told her she got to teach me because sometimes
lot
she's
of
not
time.
around and all of that.
Yeah.
You know, so.
She had a lot of talent and a lot of patience.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
But she got a YouTube show. She do cooking.
Oh, nice.
Like from 2011, she do a cooking show on
Oh,
YouTube.
yeah, so she knows how to do
Yeah,
it.
so I just started this like what? End of December. I tell him buy me a GoPro. My kids will get together and buy me a GoPro so I can do a little something. Just started.
Nice.
Yeah. My show name Hello People, Joe here.
Hello, people. Joe here.
Joe
Nice.
here.
Very nice.
Alrighty. What's your name?
Jerry.
Jerry?
Nice to meet
Joe.
you, Joe.
Nice meeting you, Jerry.
Nice to meet you, Joe.
All right.
Well, enjoy. It's a beautiful day
Yeah.
in Fontana, and it's good to be out and about
I know.
and socializing, you know, which is not something that we do every day, but it's good to see people out enjoying
Right.
the great outdoors and meeting people like you, Joe. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
Just
Jerry.
to walking by and
Yeah.
said hello and have a conversation.
That's the way you do it. Walk by, have a conversation.
Well, very good.
Yeah.
I'll look for your show, and I wish you luck and wish you the best, and enjoy your retirement.
Thank you.
All right?
All right, Jerry. Thanks a lot.
Take care.
All right.
All right. Bye, Joe.
All right. Bye-bye.